Hello everyone, I'm Leah from Master Fireworks. Welcome to Weekly Product Recommendation. The product I recommend today is called Sand Castle. This is a 1-inch 35-shot straight-up cake with effect: red tail, gold wave king, purple pearl, green straw, green tail, gold wave king, green pearl, red straw, and blue tail, gold wave king, blue pearl, gold straw. You can see an exquisite sand castle and a bright moon on the packaging. Looks very beautiful and romantic, which is very suitable for family gatherings, anniversaries, and small celebrations. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact me. Now let's take a look at the video.